Hey, you want to make a marketer cry? Here's a really easy way to do it. You just tell them that you market to everybody, because when you're marketing to everybody, you're marketing to no one, and it means we can't help you. It's too hard. We literally cannot do it. It doesn't mean that if you're marketing to a select group of people and this person who isn't that comes along, you say, I'm sorry, I don't work with people like you. But what it does mean is the narrower your focus is, the narrower the people that you're targeting is, the easier it is to get your message straight delivered to them on brand with an uncomplicated way of getting to you and working with you every time. So it's really important to identify who your target market is. A really great way to do that is to look at who you are and what your values are, and make sure that your business values and your personal values are aligned with the ones that your target market is going to want to have. They're not you, but they need to be able to relate to you and what you do. The next thing you need to do is think about who is your gap, where is your gap? Who are your competitors and who are they targeting? Can you find a wee group that they're not looking at? Now, I'm a marketer, so every person and their dog is a marketer these days. It's really hard to find the gap. So it's not necessarily about finding a specific person that's going to fit it, because there's lots of us marketing to different people in the same sector. It's more about finding ways to talk to your audience in a way that's going to attract the right sort of people for you. So you need to really identify who is your target market way before you work out what you're going to sell to them, why you're going to sell it to them, and how you're going to sell to them. So don't make a marketer cry this year. Work out what you need and then do it.